Hi everyone, it's What Are You Making Wednesday? Today we are going to make a super easy spray. This spray is a lifesaver in the mornings whenever Juliana is getting ready for school. Her hair is crazy thick, like the kind of hair you always wish you had. And it gets really knotty, especially since we don't wash her hair every day. By the second day, third day in the morning, the knots are pretty persistent to come out. So this is a crazy easy spray. You just take an empty spray bottle. I got this at Target. This is a 12-ounce spray bottle, empty. So we use our, this is the Copaiba conditioner. You would take your conditioner. Hopefully it doesn't have any sulfates in it, especially for your kids. You shouldn't be using that, anything that has that in there on their precious hair. So this one does not have any sulfates in it. It's really moisturizing and great for the hair. We use this as well. I use this, so I'm just gonna put a tiny little drop, and you'll see how little the drop is that I'm talking. That's really like it. I mean, I can't really measure that. I guess maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon if I were to measure it. So that's really all the conditioner you need to put in there. And then I add some essential oils to it because they're great for her hair and because she goes to school, and we know why I would add oils. So I add tea tree, peppermint, and lavender for the hair. And then I'm gonna fill the rest with distilled water. It's really just that simple. So because it's a 12-ounce spray bottle, I'm gonna put about half the amount of this is 12, so I'm doing half the drop, so 6. Sorry, can't get my words out. I knew what I wanted to say. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the peppermint, and then 6 of the tea tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then we just add our distilled water. Hi Susie. Hi Amber. Hi Amanda. Gonna continue to add this and just fill it up. Just be mindful that you don't overfill it. Okay. And then I'm going to pop on the top. Shake it so that you want the conditioner to, disperse throughout it and not be that clump at the bottom. Thanks, Amanda. Yes, she has gorgeous hair. I love it. But this spray has really helped. And because there's nothing in it that's dangerous, I mean, she sprays it on her own hair in the morning. The boys will spray it on theirs, which I'm totally fine with because the oils that are in it will help us all stay sane. And that's it. So I can tell there's that little clump is gone and now it's ready to use. So I suggest just have them shake it, or you shake it before they spray it, just so that all the oils aren't just sitting at the top of the spray bottle. But that is our detangling spray. It works phenomenal. I call it the not so fast hairspray for 2 reasons. So I hope you guys have a great Wednesday, and I'll see you next week. Bye.